Let's solve this together. It says x plus y is 8 and xy is equal to 13. How do we solve this? First things first, you can say that our x is equal to 13 over y. Substituting this into this equation, we have 13 over y plus y is equal to 8. Okay, now multiplying each term by y, we have 13 plus y squared is equal to 8y. We have y squared minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, so what we just did is to subtract 8y from both sides. So this is minus 8y here, and 8y minus 8y is 0, and this is 13. Okay, so moving on, we now have, using the quadratic formula, y will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, that being established, we have that from there, our y will be equal to minus 8 is plus 8. So we have 8 plus or minus square root of 8 squared is 64 minus 4 times a times c will give us minus 52 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. Hence, y will be equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 6 minus 5 is 12. Okay, so this is 12 all over 2. Hence, y will be equal to 8 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2. So y will be equal to 8 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2, which means that y will finally become equal to 4 plus or minus root 3. But then recall that x is equal to 13 over y. Hence, we now have that x is equal to 13 all over 4 plus or minus root of 3. Now let's test for when it's plus. So we have that our x will be equal to 13 over 4 plus root of 3 multiplied by 4 minus root of 3 all over 4 minus root of 3. Now x will be equal to 13 times 4 minus root of 3 will be equal to 13 into 4 minus root of 3 all over 4 squared is 16, root of 3 squared is 3. So we now have x to be equal to 13 all over 13 multiplied by 4 minus root of 3. X, this becomes equal to 4 plus minus root of 3 when y was 4 plus root of 3. Now when y is 4 minus root of 3, x would eventually become equal to 4 plus root of 3. Okay, so the values for x are such that x is 4 plus root of 3 when y is 4 minus root of 3, and x is 4 minus root of 3 when x is 4 plus root of 3. Okay, sorry, when y is 4 plus root of 3. This is the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.